Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobile's RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix your Issure does not yet offer support this card. When you see the error message, your Issure does not yet offer support for this card, typically indicates that the bank or financial institution that issued your card, the issuer has not yet enabled support for the specific payment method or services you are trying to use. Here are some solutions you can take to resolve the issue. Number one is contact your bank or issuer's customer support to inquire about their support for the specific payment method or services. Number second is check if your card is eligible for the payment method or services. Number third is consider using an alternative payment method or card that is supported. Number four is if you are trying to make an online payment, try using a different browser or device to see if that resolves the issue. Number five is sign out Apple ID and sign back in and fix your problem. Number six is make sure your device is connected to a smooth or stable Wi-Fi connection and fix your problem. Tap on the settings, tap on Wi-Fi, make sure your iPhone is connected to a smooth or stable Wi-Fi connection and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is make sure your iPhone is up to date. Tap on the settings, tap on general, tap on software update. Simply, if update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number 6 is not working, now applying the solution number 7. Solution number 7 is disable Apple Pay and re-enable again. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up to find Walet and Apple Pay. Simply disable and after 10 to 20 seconds enable back and fix your problem. Enter your Apple ID and using Apple Pay and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, simply reset all settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings. Reset all settings to confirm. Wait some seconds. When your iPhone setting is completely restored, your problem is fixed. Add card and try again and fix. Your Issure does not yet offer support for this card. If all solutions are not working, contact with your bank or Apple support for further assistance to resolve the issue. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix your Issure does not yet offer support for this card to Apple Pay. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.